Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm teaching you about crypto future risk management. Now in this video, I will explain different ways you can minimize risk and maximize profits. This is very important if you're following my trades because it teaches you how much to put into each trade and how to make the most money. Now margin mode. I will always use cross mode unless specified otherwise. Cross mode allows more space for your positions to breathe. In the event of liquidation, you would lose all your balance and open positions. Make sure to set a stop loss to maintain your account balance and open position. Position sizing. For a normal alert, this is pretty standard, 10% of your account. You have $1,000, $10 goes into the play. A risky alert, 3 to 5% of your account. You have $1,000, you put in $30 to $50. A lottery, if you have $1,000, you put 15 in. Basically, what these all mean is the riskiness. So normal, pretty standard, a very high chance of it going up in price. Risky, it could go either way. However, it's more likely to go up, and lottery, it could go anyway. Stop losses. I typically use trade invalidation as my primary stop loss. This means if the price falls to anything where I would not get into the trade if I hadn't got in yet, then I would cash out. So for example, if I see it uptrending and I go in for a long and suddenly I see it starting to downtrend, and let's pretend I hadn't gotten to that trade at all, and yeah, if I hadn't gone into that trade and I would say, look at that chart and say, oh no, that's going down, I'm not going to long it. That means I should get out. My hard stop loss is minus 200%. Well, to be honest, you really shouldn't let it get that bad anyways with your stop losses, unless you're using a very low amount, so like $15, and you don't mind going into a negative 30 loss. But this basically means it prevents your losers from blowing up your account on cross margin because it will eat into your account on cross mode. Don't wait for me to signal a stop loss. You should set this almost as soon as you open the trade or seconds after. Trimming. I recommend trimming winning positions of 50, 100% and other key resistant levels. On my take profits, I will look to close 25% of my current position size to control my risk. This means taking as much profit while we're up. I will also trim my winnings positions just in case the play goes south, and so we have already taken profits. Do not wait for a signal and stop loss in profits. I recommend you should set your stop loss to your entry price once you're up 100%. There's no point having a winning position turning into a losing one. Success. By applying this strategy over time and again, your account will, I promise you, it will grow consistently. This is calculated by using past data and should not be indicative of future results. This should not make you want to over risk your account, as losses will happen and come with winning plays. So basically, like 3-4 wins, you're bound to have a loser play soon. It's impossible to go long periods of time without a losing play, no matter how good of a trader you are. Now my last words, remember, consistently is better than home runs. Small gains add up. So your small baby gains, more than consistency, 20%, 30%, 40% here and there. And even if you take a loss because you're using the same amount each time, all you have to do is put in the exact same amount and a 30%. Let's say you have a 20% loss, put in the exact same amount, 10% again, and if you get a 30% gain, you've wiped out that loss. However, you're going all in. You go all in, you get a 20% gain. You have $1,000, you're up 1,200, and then you get a 30% loss. Then you're wiped down at like $400. Then you get a 40% gain next trade. You only get $200 there or something. You're only up 250, so now you have 750. But if you had used $100 each time, you would be up more. and then don't get burnt over leveraging and over position sizing. So to give you an example, here's my server, 200% profit, 138. Then more recently, that's just technical analysis that I explained to you guys. Look, 69%, 32%. So for all those trades, you should be at most putting in 10%. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.